To begin, you'll need to cast on in multiples of 8. I have 40 stitches here, which of course is 8 times 5. This stitch pattern is a super easy 4-row repeat, and we're just going to work this together. So for the first row, you're just going to purl 1, make sure your yarn is in front. So to purl, insert from back to front. Get my yarn to cooperate here. And then we'll just yarn over, pull the loop through, and push this other loop off. Now knit 3, so bring your yarn between the needles, and we're going to knit 3, so insert front to back, yarn over, pull up a loop, and push the loop off of the left hand needle. So we're knitting 3. You're just going to repeat, so bring it between the needles again, and the repeat is just purl 1, knit 3, all the way down until you reach the end of your row. Now for row 2, we're looking at the wrong side of the fabric here, the back. We're going to knit 1, purl 5, now we're going to knit 1, purl 1, and now it just repeats these 8 stitches. Knit 1, purl 5, knit 1, purl 1, and repeat to the end of the row. Okay, for row 3, now we're going to knit 2, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, and knit 1. And these are our 8 stitches, so you will knit 2, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 1, and repeat to the end. And finally, the last row of our repeat is going to begin with the purl 2. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 3. Okay, so our repeat here is purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 3, and repeat to the end. As you can see, repeating these 4 rows gives you this chevron stitch pattern just with knits and purls. So the purl stitches in the front give us those ridges, and every 4 rows gives you 1 chevron line.